Hi everyone, what are you doing? Hoping well. In the video, it's time for me to update you on my own public investment portfolio. If you follow this series, you will remember that at the beginning of this year I decided to create my own public investment portfolio, starting something from scratch, and each month I'm committing to contribute a symbolic amount. More or less, sometimes it's 50 euros, otherwise it's 60, 70. Really it depends. It's something that I just put to the side and kind of forget about it. And this is also a cool way for me to be accountable for my investments, because I'm sharing everything that I'm doing, and in a few years I want to look back and see what was my thought process. I have videos that are a bit more focused into analysis of specific stocks. Lately, since I'm here working in Paris, I haven't had any much work to do like YouTube, but I committed doing these videos and I intend to do them as long as I am capable of. So this month we are already at the end. It's like the 26th of July when I'm making this video, and I'm gonna open my trading 212 app, which is the one that I'm using for this portfolio. I just want to say again the disclaimer: everything that you see me saying on this video is not investment advice. I do me, you do you. This is just me. Just because I think some of these decisions are good doesn't necessarily mean are the best ones for you. Always do your own due diligence, always do your own research. So you can see here, since the inception of January, my portfolio is positive. Most of the months is negative. Actually, this is kind of a nice surprise. It's not that much positive. It's only 0.95% or 2 euros and 75 cents. So the portfolio size is 292 euros. Then again, this is not life changing, but hopefully in the long term, since I have more or less decades of ahead of me, we'll see how this will grow. Maybe I can outperform the S&P 500, maybe I won't. We'll see, so you'll have to stick around, and if I keep making these videos, I think it's gonna be a really nice journey and a nice documentary. So my holdings, I have Alibaba, it's in the green, 26%. Google is down 3.87%. Amazon is up barely. Farfetch is up. Intel is down. S&P 500 ETF is down. The information technology sector ETF is down as well. JD is up. Pinduoduo is up. Meta Platforms, or former Facebook, is down, and Tencent is down. So you can see here, this is more or less my distribution. As you can see, the bulk of it is still on ETFs, so there's a big foundation. And lately I've been focusing more on my investments. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I haven't had much time this month because life gets in the way. So I'm not here trying to do anything spectacular. I think in this month I will only invest in ETFs, the S&P 500 ETF and the information technology one. Remember, investing is all about making your life easier. You don't want it to overcomplicate, you don't want to be overthinking this, so I will just commit to this portion. Maybe I can change this a bit. Let me see. Not most popular, my watch list. Maybe I can add Google because it was down. Maybe I can add Meta Platforms, which was also down, and Tencent. Let's see. So I can shift these around. Maybe I'll put 5% here, if I can do it. 3%, 3%. Okay, I'll put here 4%, and I have to decrease here, so we have 100%. Okay, so yeah, this will be the distribution for this month. Considering previous returns, this gives an annual return of 20.49%. I don't think you should view this as your future returns. You never know what's gonna happen. We might end up in a recession. We might end up being years and years without any kind of returns. But if you continue dollar cost averaging in, I think this is a better option than just letting your money being eaten away by inflation. So yeah, this is gonna be my pie for today. So I'm gonna invest. Let's see. Wait, can you please? Nope. Let me see if I can invest 40 euros. I'm gonna invest actually 50. Okay, and you can see here the distribution. So 2 euros are gonna go for Google. 25 euros are going to go to an ETF that's mimicking the 500 biggest companies in the US. 20 euros are going to the information technology sector, and 1 euro and 50 cents are going to Meta, and another 1 euro and 50 cents is going to Tencent. So I'm gonna buy, and of course, yes, some of these orders will only be executed in a few hours because not all markets are open right now. So yes, I know this is like these are always like short videos, but this is just me sharing what I'm doing since I committed to this. I know these videos don't get that many views, but hopefully in a few years I can look back and see if this thought process was correct or if I was wrong. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!